So powers, when I was a Zilla member, we spoke of grants to be given. We never spoke of powers. Kidago powers am chod ulovu nahi. Ami ulele grants ache. At grants pasun chod ha. No doubt they require more grants as it is. But what I want to say is that there has been a lot of improvement. Even the panchayats, Honorable Minister, and panchayat grants pasun wadile. Zait wadile. Poili machine na grants thank who beta poil kaya na hille. At okay. Even panchayats which have got no income, lower strata of panchayat, you call it the third level panchayat, which have no revenue. Thank Amashe Samarpache, that's all, Speaker sir. Yes. Only this. And with respect to IDC grants and all that, lot of maintenance is done by industrial development also. So it is not that they are not giving, they are maintenance, dusri fund pasun thank you, well speak. No,
Sri Alex Singera.
He spoke.
Speaker sir, my colleague and my friend seems to be answering on behalf of the Honorable Minister. Speaker sir, I stand to express a grievance of the village panchayats. We have the minister who has today stood up and strongly tried to deny the fact that the panchayats are being weakened. But I would like to bring to the notice of this august House a situation which, according to me, means total injustice to the panchayats spread across Goa. Why do I say that, Speaker sir? In the year 2000, if I'm not mistaken, the then government brought in something what they call a notified area vis-a-vis the industrial estates. Under this act, Speaker sir, the panchayats that were earning house tax, the right to collect that house tax was withdrawn from the panchayat, and this right was given to the IDC, GIDC, which in turn was supposed to collect on behalf of the panchayats and subsequently reimburse this amount, which amounts today to crores of rupees, to the panchayats. Speaker sir, from the year 2016 till today, this house tax that has been collected by the panchayats, by the Goa IDC, has not been reimbursed to the village panchayats. With one, unfortunately for my colleague, Sri Moven Gudino, he happens to be the industries minister and he happens to be the panchayat minister. As industries minister, Speaker sir, this exercise was done by the then industries minister to facilitate industry being set up in Goa. Earlier you had to go to the town and country planning, you had to go to the village panchayat, you had to go to all these agencies. Under this Notified Estates Act, all the powers were given to IDC to act on behalf of, be it the town and country planning, be it the panchayats, be it whatever other local bodies that came under that.
Yes.
Speaker sir, I demand that he immediately releases the funds that are due to the panchayats. The IDC has no right to deny these panchayats this amount, which amounts to crores of rupees. One side the panchayats are crying there are no funds. Speaker, even in your constituency, Speaker sir, Kankon Industrial Estate, they have been robbed of their dues, Speaker sir. Similarly in my constituency, and besides that there will be so many MLAs who have estates in their constituencies.
Yes.
I therefore demand that he immediately steps in and ensures that these amounts are released to these panchayats, Speaker sir, and then talk of strengthening the panchayats.
Speaker sir, म्हजो इश्ट बाब रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्स ताणें जे डिफेन्स केली तेजे एकूच पॉयंट म्हळ्यार असो, if you compare last year's budget granting aid to village panchayats in both districts, 8 कोटी आशिल्ले ते 5 कोटी जाले. जिल्हा पंचायतीचें बजेट 16 कोटी आशिल्ले ते 9 कोटी 97 lakhs जाले. Salaries to सरपंच, deputy सरपंच and directly elected panchayat member 10 कोटी आशिल्ले ते 7 कोटी 48 लाख जाले. Grants to local bodies under 15th Finance Commission 122 कोटी but 122.2 कोटी आले ते 67 crores जाले. Total budget of panchayat has been reduced to from 289 to 253 crores. Speaker sir, what does this prove? It proves that the government is choking the Panchayati Raj system.
Minister.
One important point they have raised is when IDCs were notified, as rightly pointed out by Honorable Member Shri Alex and also Shri Honorable Reginaldo, for it was done for 5 years. That up till 5 years we will compensate the panchayats for losing that money. This is one point. Other point is that octroi, which was otherwise coming to the panchayats, I remember assurances were made by then Chief Minister, even in this August House, then Chief Minister, that we will pay the panchayats. As you know, the financial situation, because of the financial crunch, no government has been able to fulfill those assurances. Even till today, I myself am demanding that panchayats should get that money. But as far as IDC notified areas are concerned, it was only meant for 5 years. In fact, I am also the Industries Minister, as rightly pointed out. I have said no more it should be called house tax. The moment you say house tax is something what municipalities levy or the panchayats levy. It has to be called by some other name. Let us not live in the past. Octroi has already been subsumed under when GST came into being. So octroi also does not exist. But I firmly believe that the past commitments that were made before these things became a reality must be fulfilled. I will sit with the Honorable Finance Minister, who is Honorable Chief Minister, and try to sort this out so that some more money is given to the panchayats to do the development.
Sir, even yesterday I have paid house tax. Yesterday I paid to IDC house tax. You can't just change the nomenclature and call it something else. If it is there as house tax, it is house tax. You can't change. You first clear the past dues that you have collected, Speaker, sir. You can't just change it, call it something else and say that money is yours.
Yes.
It's ridiculous.
Mantriji.
Because sir, I have clearly said, I स्पष्टीकरण दिला, हांव माननीय मुखेलमंत्र्याक डिस्कस करून पंचायती कितें दिवपा जाय तें आमी दितले.
Yes, okay, yeah. लक्षवेधी सूचना श्री डॉक्टर दिव्या राणे. दिले कॉल केलं कॉल
दिला की आपण मुख्यमंत्र्याबरोबर बसतलो. आम्ही कॉलिंग अटेन्शन हाडलें. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्पीकर सर, कॉलिंग अटेन्शन हाडलें, ताची फकाणां केली. तुम्ही जे ऍडमिट केले ते तुमची फकाणां केली आनी एश्युरन्सांय काय मेळना. मग कित्याक हाडलें, कितें केलें, हें फकत भाशणबाजी जाली.
एश्युरन्स ताणें रिटर्न्स दिले तुमकां.
काय दिलं, कितें एश्युरन्स दिले ताणें?
रिटर्न सबमिशन केलं ताणें. रिटर्न सबमिशन केलें तुम्ही.
खंयचे एश्युरन्स दिले? कितें म्हणटा रवी, कितें रवी बाब, कितें कसले दिले एश्युरन्स? कोण दिले कोणाक? देंवले मरे सगळें, दाखयलें मरे हांवें आतां कशें देंवता तें.
डॉक्टर दिव्या राणे.
Speaker, sir, there's fear and anxiety in the minds of the farmers in Satari due to huge losses suffered due to crop damage by wild animals. More than 5,000 farmers who are registered as Krishi card holders. These wild animals feed on coconuts, areca nuts, cashew nuts, mangoes. The Agriculture Department underreports cases of damage due to monkeys, bisons and other wild animals. Further, farmers are allowed a compensation only once a year under Shetkari Aadhar Nidhi scheme. As such, the government may increase the compensation offered, allow multiple claims in a year so that they are adequately compensated, requesting the government to provide adequate and timely relief.
Yes. Minister.
Speaker, sir. Under the Shetkari Aadhar Nidhi scheme, government provides compensation for the damage caused to the field crops and horticulture crops by the wild animal. The compensation provided is limited to rupees 160 lakh per farmer, or as per the actual. किती करता रे? Actually, evaluation, whichever is less, the compensation for the agriculture produce is limited to one time per year per person per farmer, depending on the type of the crop. The damage, huh?
Alex Wab,
Damage are horticulture trees limited to one time per year, and claims are accepted, and when it is occur, the agriculture department report only the case, the claim by the farmers and damage due to wild animal. The proposal of Dr. Divya Rani, Honorable MLA Poriya Kosteji in Satari Taluka will be examined, and they increase the compensation and timely relief to the farmers will be provided.
yes.
Speaker, sir, आमच्या एरियान almost 5,000 farmers आसा who are registered, almost 15,000 hectares आसा farming. But सद्या कितें जालां, the farmers are quite dejected because the amount of monkeys, giant squirrels, bisons, and all these porcupines that are, they keep on affecting various different, it is not that just one plant, whether it is the mango, cashew nut, the young saplings of areca nut, coconut, and of course the big coconut trees. Monkeys are the major, the animal which affects the trees are the monkeys and the giant squirrels. Nobody knows how you can stop a monkey from coming into the field, because for other animals you can put a fence or something like that. So I would just want to request and understand from the department whether we can think of having a solar fencing or a high solar fencing, maybe like more than 6 to 10 feet high, where maybe that can hinder, because we are not allowed to use firearms or any such method which can affect an animal. But at least if we can think of having solar fencing in these areas, and it's not only Sattari, I know that other areas of Goa also where there is farming happening, this is the major hindrance. And I know the department has given a reply, but I know that the farmers are getting only 6,000 rupees, and till now only 2 lakhs has, they have received only 2 lakhs, and only 6,000 rupees per farmer has been received, and that too only one time in a year they can claim. So I'm requesting that hopefully they'll be able to claim as and when the crops are damaged, and increase in the compensation to the farmers, and provide some subsidy or start a scheme where they can start fencing of their farms. That is the only way we can stop the squirrels and the bisons and the monkeys from damaging the crops, Speaker, sir. So request the minister to please look into this, because our farmers, there's so much farming happening in our area, but the farmers come to us, शेतकरी येता आमकां आनी सांगता कितें करपाचें मॅडम, कशें रोवपाचें, रोवन इतलें नुकसान जाता, रोवन कितें फायदो, सगळें झाड वयर येवचे पयलीं मंकीज डिस्ट्रॉय करतात, कोकोनट, केळी जावनी, मँगो जावनी, कॅज्यू जावनी, बायसन्स शेतांनी येतात. सो ओनली सोल्युशन कुड बी लायक द डिपार्टमेंट प्रोवाइड्स fencing, like solar fencing, so that takes care of even maybe hopefully the monkeys also, because, or I want to request if anybody, maybe the young entrepreneurs now, or any school students, college students can come up with some innovative idea to help us, help the department, help the government of thinking of ways to, the menace of monkeys, how we can stop the menace of monkeys.
Because lot of farmers, जायत farmers, जे न्यू पासून वयता ते, तांकां फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम जाता हे माकडांचो जावं जनवार वायल्ड एनिमल्स. आनी इतली जालां, पिकॉक्स देखून इतली जाले, दुकोरूय येताय, वायल्ड बोर, दुकोर म्हळ्यार केन्ना पोसलो न्ही, रान दुकोर. सो आतां वॉट इज द प्रॉब्लम इज दे आर डिस्ट्रॉयींग द क्रॉप. गवरेड येताय, गवरेल जर तर एक 15 जां येयले जाल्यार आख्खे बाट तो काबां करून वयताय, एक भिरेल जाल्यार दे फिनीश द होल प्रॉपर्टी. तींत मागीर तुका परतून तें उत्पन्न काडपाक इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. बिकॉज सर इदर वी हॅव टू डू समथींग, ऑर जे वायल्ड एनिमल्स ह्यान एक पाट इश्यू जाल्लो, उल्लेख जाल्लो की वायल्ड एनिमल्स मारूं जाय म्हण म्हणजे शेतां आसताय ते बट सम सोल्युशन इज रिक्वायर्ड ओनली ना जाल्यार एग्रीकल्चर विल बी डिस्ट्रॉयड माकोड आहाय ते जावं वायल्ड एनिमल्स जावं मंगूस जावं आनी दुसरे एनिमल्स मंगूस इज ओके बट अदर एनिमल्स घराको पावले आमगेल्या एंड देर इज नो सोल्युशन इन प्रायवेट इन गांवांत पिकॉक्स आनी हे गांवां पावले रायट इनसायड द विलेजीस फॉरगेट हिल्स फॉरगेट आम कितें म्हणटाले मनीस काडटालो जंगलां वयतालो आनी तेंगे बाट हें कोताले ते आसतले म्हण थिंगा हियर दे हॅव रीच्ड नाव इनसायड द प्रॉपर्टीज इदर सम सोल्युशन हॅज टू बी ब्रॉड फार्मर्स हॅव टू बी कॉम्पन्सेटेड ऑर समथींग कॉम्पन्सेशन विल नॉट सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम उत्पन्न जावपाकूच जाय सी कोण एकलो शेतकार रोयता तो कित्याक लागून रोयता बरो एक सॅटिस्फॅक्शन आहा तेका सॅटिस्फॅक्शन आपण काम केलें तें मेहनत केली ती शेतांत तें उत्पन्न जायन तें इंकपाचें तें मागीर तें प्रॉफीट जावं तो लॉस जावं इज अ डिफरंट थिंग ऑल टुगेदर बट एग्रीकल्चरांत आमी जाणाय कितें आमी रोयले जाल्यार जेन्ना एक शेतकार आपल्या हातीन रोयता मिनिस्टर मातशें राव रे मातशें बाय हांव काबार करता मागीर तूं उलय स्पिकर सर शेतकार आमी जाणाय कितें जेन्ना रोयताय तेन्ना यू नो विथ सो मच ऑफ यू नो फॉरगेट पयशे मोडप you know how much of time money love he spends to do it so शेतकार रोयता तेका खबर आहा आनी out of 100 शेतकार्स I think at least 50 are doing it personally so though I get phone calls from I get from farmers from Sangi and Savarde and I get phone calls from even this side this side in Notaje what they say is itu kon akke crop hoida compensation will not solve. So some issue, like startup, can we announce something, a startup like what Honorable Member Divya said, एक startup announce करपाचो, कितें जात जाल्यार कितें करूपाक, कोणाकूय कितें benefit दिवपाचो हें solution काडपाक.
डॉक्टर चंद्रकांत शेट्टे
स्पीकर सर
एक मिनिट ताजी कंप्लीट लास्ट डॉक्टर चंद्रकांत शेट्टे
स्पीकर सर हांव कालूच हावजान सांगतालो की आमचे शेतकरी भाव जे शेती करपाक कमी जाता हे एक कारण आसा की तेंची शेती नासधूस करता आणि आताच जशें देवयान सांगला आणि म्हज्या कलिगान रेजिनाल्डान सांगला आमी आयटी बाकी सगळी कडेन स्टार्टअप पॉलिसी म्हणून दिता शेतकऱ्यांक सुद्दां आमी स्टार्टअप पॉलिसी म्हणून कितें तरी फंड दिवपाक जाय म्हणजे तांकां मोर अट्रॅक्ट जावपाक चड शेतकरी फुडें येवपाक जाल्यार आमचे फुडले शेती एक्टीव रावतली
मिनिस्टर
स्पीकर सर आमच्या गोंयांक दाखोवन दिता की आमी गोंयचे लोक जे आसात तेणी खुबशे उत्पन्न केलां झाडां रोयल्यात माड रोयल्यात सगळें रोयल्यात आनी वयली जनावरची आतां सगळीं गांवांक पावल्या आनी चड करून आमचे तो पळय तेगे शेत बीन खाता खंय ते आमचो रिजिनाल म्हणजे तेणें तें शेत बीन खूब रोयल्लें आसा पूण आतां ती जनावर चड जाल्यांक मोर तूं वयले पिकॉक मोर आमच्या घरा कडचे वयर आहा बंगल्यार म्हणजे थंय पावले फोण्या पळय मोर बस थंय पावले मोरूय जालें म्हणजे इतले सगळीं आमची जनावरां आमची गोंयची इतली मोगान पडल्यात कित्याक आमी तेंचो मोग करता सरकार आहा तो तांकां सगळें तरी दिता ऑफकोर्ड करता ताका मारले मस्ती मोंगा स्पीकर सर ती जनावरां खूब येता आमकां जाणा इवन काणकोणा आतां फेन्सींग बिन्सींग आमी हें आसा आमचे डॉक्टर दिव्या सांगता की फेन्सिंगा आमचे कडेन पयशे आसा आमी फेन्सिंगाकय पयशे दिता सगळे तरेचे हें करपाक फेन्सिंग करपाक ना आतां कशें वयतलें म्हाका वयल्यान वयता न्हू रे सकयल्या खंय
सोलर फेन्सिंग
आं
सोलर फेन्सिंग सर
कितें आमी हें सगळें दिवपाचे प्रयत्न करता आनी तूं म्हणटा सोलारचे तशेंच आमी फेन्सिंग करपाचें पळोवया कित्याक आनी आमचें आसा दिसता हें फेन्सिंगा भितर सगळे पयशे आसा फेन्सिंग करपाक कित्याक जनावर भितर येवची न्हू आमी प्रोटेक्ट करतात पूण जनावरांक तेंकांय खावपाक जाय वयर कांय म्हणटा सकयल येयल्या म्हणटा तेंकांय आमी तेंची कांय करूं आनी तेंकां मारूंकूच शकना गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियाय तेंकां मारपाक दिना आनी आमचे गोंयचे लोकूय मारपाक दिना आनी सरकारूय मारपाक दिना कितें करतले
अक्षय सूचना श्री वीरेश बोरकार
Speaker sir, I stand to speak on calling attention. Fear and anxiety in the minds of Goans that due to heavy rainfall and rise in sea level due to high tide and other contributing factors has resulted in washing away of barns, inducted of fields, floods of lying areas, uprooting of trees, flooding of streets, and various other disasters across the state. The steps the government has taken in this matter.
Minister.
Replying to this calling attention called tabled by our honorable member Viresh Bolkar on Monday.
Okay. Yes. 2023-2024 खातीर सकयल दिल्ल्या अर्थसंकल्पीय अनुदान मागण्या खातीर भासाभास आमी करतात. आमी आतां आयच्या दिसाची अनुदानीत मागणी एकत्रितपणे घेवया. मुख्यमंत्र्यान मागणी क्रमांक 8, 9, 11, 12, 30, 32, 46, 75, 79, 80, 81, 83, 84 आणि 88 सभागृहांक मांडच्यो. मुख्यमंत्री.
Sir, on the recommendation of Governor, I beg to move demand number 8, 9, 11, 12, 30, 32, 46, 75, 79, 80, 81, 83, 84 and 88 listed for today's to the vote of the House.
मागण्यो सभागृहासमोर आसात. वळेरी क्रमांक 4 अ, ब, क आणि ड दिल्ल्या संबंधित मागण्या संदर्भात विरोधी पक्षनेते युरी आलेमाव, आमदार श्री विजय सरदेसाय, श्री कार्लोस फेरेरा, बेंझी वेगस, विरेश बोरकर आणि क्रूज सिल्वा हांणी आपल्यो कपात सुचोवणी मांडच्यो. कट मोशन मांडला.
Sir, I move cut motions to demands listed for today as per list number 4B.
Yes.
Move cut motion to the demand listed for today as per list number 4C.
Speaker, sir, I move cut motions to demands listed for today as per list number 4.
Yes, आणि कोण उरला? कार्लोस फेरेरा.
Speaker, I move cut motion to demand listed for today as per list number 4A.
डिस्कशन कोण करता पहिले?
Cut motion करताना सुरुवात करतो.
Yes, कार्लोस फेरेरा.
Honorable Speaker, I will first speak on excise demand number 11. In the Perne excise scam, there are more questions than answers. The CAG, first question which arises whether the CAG had not flagged the issue of the loss of revenue due to non-renewal of the excise license and the fall in revenue over the years. What action was taken? The government will have to clarify. One shocking part, then excise scam zaltanna. रोकडो तो UDC आशिल्लो तेणे 11 लाख बोलले. तुझे आनी मुखोडे 11 लाख एश कोन अकाउंटार ना एक 24 ऑरांनी भितर हाडपाक आमी फिक्स डिपॉझिट फोडून पडले, अरेंजमेंट करून पडले, पूण एको आशिल्ले बोर्सांतून काडले आनी दिले. दिस इज व्हेरी शॉकिंग. कित्याक 2 कोटीचे लुकसाण म्हणटा आनी 24 वरांनी तो पयशे परत घाता. म्हणल्यार पयशे खूंय आशिल्ले, पयशे कोणाको आशिल्ले. Because this is a matter of revenue, loss of revenue. And if the government is serious on it, I think you can get the money the moment you put the stick. आणि बॉडी मारली तेन्ना रोकडे पयशे येता तेन्ना बॅलन्स पासून येवपा जाता केन्ना तूं FIR घात तेन्ना. FIR घायल ना अजून आयज पासून. हांवें डिमांड केल्लो तेका सस्पेंड कर म्हूण ऑर्डरान उपरांत सस्पेन्शन ऑर्डर काडली आनी मागीर FIR आयज पासून काडना. हांवें प्रश्न विचारलो वाय नो FIR, केसीस अंडर इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन म्हणला. दुसरी केसीन रोकडे FIR घातात म्हण हे केसीन FIR एक पासून FIR ना. कित्याक FIR येयलो जाल्यार द होल कॅट वूड बी आउट ऑफ द बॅग. सो आय चार्ज द गव्हर्नमेंट दॅट यू आर ट्रायंग टू हायड समथिंग. यू वॉन्ट टू शील्ड समवन अँड द रॉट गोज डीपर. I would accuse the government that the non-registration of the FIR is a deliberate attempt. Dakli barik zale ami maafi korun jata. Chuk zale mon maafi korun jata. But when it is coming to crores of rupees, it is very serious. Now, why I am saying this? Honorable Chief Minister may kindly note this, in particular being the minister concerned. Sheikhs ahat amche. I specifically question inchale about sheikhs. Sheikh license asat. म्हूण कितले शेकान एक्सायज लायसन्स गेले, सगळे शेकांक सोरो मेळटा. म्हूण आमचे कालांगूट, कांदोली, आरपोरा हे सायडीन सगळे आहात ते अंजुना एक दोन एक्सायज लायसन्स आनी सगळे शेक चलयता विदाउट एक्सायज लायसन्स म्हूण सोरो विकतात. That is another collection point which was taking place, with officers going and collecting money but not issuing any receipt. Excise license on ashille. So this is another leakage of the revenue, because if you had collected this money, you would have had surplus in your accounts. I have asked specifically a question about Chanakya services. Kale, I point out kello, maka answer person samko ail na. Kita Chanakya services are to meet about 35 lakhs ki dille to do some survey. Because my question was, did you tender it? Did you invite tenders? Kiti aille, aaj pasun reply na maka. Now, the reluctance in filing the complaint, as I mentioned, becomes very suspicious. Kita suspicious ata, poile penneche case I ulele. Ata Penjim Smart City che, this is relating to finance, that is what I'm talking about. Can I just pass these papers? One for CM, one to the Secretary. I'm showing this one paper, which is a document of Imagine Smart City Development. Audit inspection by CANG on accounts of Imagine Smart City Development for the period 1st April 2018 to 30th September was conducted in the month of August. This is to bring to your notice that the inspection report submitted by CNAG has pointed out that so-and-so, during his tenure as MD and CEO, incurred unauthorized expenditure for own benefit, and the benefits are listed below. 1. Excess drawal of salary by manipulating the board meetings. Irregular expenditure to credit card, 27.5 lakhs. 3. Irregular personal expenses from petty cash, 1.6 lakhs. Internet banking facility was availed without board approval. This is sent to the vigilance. Aaj pasun kai action na te officers. I will understand when the government makes a statement or IAS officer mon. And IAS officer ko we have to take consent of MHA. But let me make one thing clear to the Honorable CM. There is a judgment of our Supreme Court in Prakash Singh Badal. I will just read that paragraph. It is 2007, volume 1, SCC, page 1. The Supreme Court says here, and I'll just read that paragraph. The offense of cheating, because this is case of cheating, under section 420, or for that matter, relatable to 467, 468, 471, and 120B. 467 and up to 471 is criminal breach of trust. Can by no stretch of imagination, by their very nature, be regarded as having been committed by any public servant while acting or purporting to act in discharge of official duty. In such cases, official status only provides.
या दर्याक पळयतकीर म्हज्या मनात खूबशे तरंग उठतात, खूबशी ल्हारां उसळटात. या दर्याच्या पोटात लिपलां कितें?